We've got our head here. We've let our stick set up. So we're going to drill our hole in through here for our string to go through. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in that comment section. I'll get back with you. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch drill bit for this. Okay, we're pretty well centered. That's where I wanted to be with this. So we'll just bore the hole out a little bit so the string doesn't catch. So we got that. We got the hole in through here. So we'll get our mouth stuff connected to the mouth, and we can put it all together and see how she works. Thanks for watching.